Today we're going to learn about the area of a triangle, and first we'll start with the definition, which is the area of a triangle is the number of square units it takes to exactly fill the interior of a triangle. And the formula for this is just 1/2 base times height, and it can also be looked at as length times width. And to better understand the area of a triangle, we'll first look at the area of a rectangle. And the formula for the area of a rectangle is base times height, or length times width. And to show that, we'll use this rectangle right here, and it's just basically 1 by 1 squares that fill up this whole triangle, and you count them to find the area. And if we wanted to find the area of one of these triangles, we know that it is just half of the whole rectangle. And so that is why we would do 1/2 base times height instead of just base times height. If we're looking at an acute triangle, we don't have a right angle, so we have to make one ourselves. So we would draw a line straight down, and we would find that height, and we would then use the same base, because it's just the same line of the rectangle. And then if we were to look at an obtuse triangle, we would have to think of it as 2 triangles, because we have to add on this portion right here. And so we're going to have a big triangle, which would be this whole thing, and then a smaller triangle, which would just be the part added on. And to find what the area would be, we would take our big triangle, which would be 1/2 plus our base times our height. And we would subtract that from our smaller triangle, which would just be the half of this height and this extra base. And that would then give us 1/2 base times height.